Welcome to Sanki. We have already been successful in Mexico, and now it's time to be successful in the biggest market in the world, the US. It's for you.
Sanki is named Sanki Global for a reason. There is a global vision for expansion throughout the entire world. And the United States headquarters is key to that future expansion.
We have the technology, we have the products, we have the people to achieve our goals and to have success and to be really very successful in this market. The opening of the US is really strategic. It's really important for our global vision. We started in Mexico and now we're opening the US because we know that from here we can expand globally in a faster way. The name of Sanki, San, respect in Japanese, Ki, spiritual energy. So the union of these two syllables is respect for what is our inner energy, our soul. What I see is that we're transforming the lives of thousands and thousands of people. We offer really innovative products that get inside the cells and specifically inside the mitochondria of every cell. I'm saying it very simply, but it's very difficult to achieve. And we can prove it. We can prove what our technology does. So from one end, we have this really innovative technology. From the other side, we have a really simple and powerful compensation plan.
Our focus at Sanki Global is to help people improve, to help them improve with their mind, their body, their soul, and their finances. When you have a complete, balanced life, that's when you have the ability to accomplish things that you never thought possible.
What do you feel about Sanki? What do you think and feel of the whole business opportunity, of the whole health opportunity that you'll have in your hands? At the end, whatever you decide is perfect. It's perfect for you.